Around 10,000 years ago, something extraordinary happened. Humans, for the first time, began to cultivate crops. This marked the start of agriculture. Before this, humans lived as hunter-gatherers. They hunted animals and gathered wild plants for food. This way of life was nomadic. People moved around a lot to find food. The transition to agriculture was gradual. Over time, humans observed that seeds could grow into plants. They started planting seeds intentionally. This led to the domestication of plants. The first crops were grains like wheat and barley grown in the Fertile Crescent. This change from hunting and gathering to farming had a profound impact on human life. It led to a more settled lifestyle. People no longer needed to wander in search of food. They could stay in one place and cultivate the land. This led to the creation of villages, the earliest forms of human settlements. With more food available, populations grew. Villages expanded and some even evolved into cities. This surplus of food also meant that not everyone needed to be involved in farming. This led to specialization of labor. Some people became artisans, craftspeople, or rulers. Irrigation was a crucial development in the story of farming. Early farmers realized they could channel water from rivers and lakes to irrigate their crops. This allowed them to grow more food and expand their farms. Irrigation systems became increasingly sophisticated. Canals and ditches were dug to direct water flow. This technology led to larger harvests and further population growth. Crop rotation was another important innovation. Farmers learned that planting different crops in the same field in a cycle helped maintain soil fertility. This prevented soil exhaustion and increased overall crop yield. These practices illustrate how early farmers were already developing sophisticated methods for sustainable agriculture. The Industrial Revolution brought mechanization to farming. In the 19th and 20th centuries, new machines transformed agriculture. Tractors replaced animal power, making it possible to cultivate larger areas of land. The development of synthetic fertilizers and pesticides further increased crop yields. These innovations helped farmers to control pests and diseases, and to provide crops with the nutrients they needed. The Green Revolution in the mid-20th century saw the widespread adoption of these technologies, leading to a significant increase in global food production. Modern farming continues to evolve with new technologies. Genetically modified crops are engineered for desirable traits like pest resistance and increased nutritional value. Vertical farming, growing crops in vertically stacked layers, is gaining traction, especially in urban areas. It offers a way to produce food locally and reduce reliance on traditional farming methods. Looking ahead, farming is poised for even more dramatic changes. Artificial intelligence and robotics are expected to play increasingly important roles. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to optimize planting, irrigation, and harvesting. Robots can perform tasks such as planting, weeding, and harvesting, improving efficiency and reducing labor requirements. Sustainability is also a key concern for the future of farming. Climate change is already affecting agricultural practices around the world. Farmers are adopting climate-smart practices like conservation tillage and drought-resistant crops. The future of farming will likely involve a combination of advanced technologies and sustainable practices, ensuring food security for a growing global population while protecting our planet.